Look who's home.
Hello.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Okay, bye. Can you grab my hairbrush?
No.
Please. Oh, my hair feels so good. Ooh. I just got out of the shower and I want to sit down. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Caroline and you should totally subscribe and join the man fam. Right now, I just got out of the shower and I'm super excited because tonight we are hosting Bible study at my house. Also, Catherine is home. I didn't realize she was coming home so soon, but yeah, she's coming home because she's on her break from the Air Force Academy. So that was a surprise because I was literally like taking a bath and then like washing my hair after. And then I walked out of the bathroom and she was there and I was like, whoa. So that was crazy. But really quick, I wanted to talk to you guys about a hair care company that I just found out and discovered recently. And I was so excited when they wanted to work with me. So I'm super excited to be talking about their brand and basically how everything works because I think it is super cool. You definitely need to hear this. All right, so real talk, I feel like all of the shampoo and conditioners that I have used have made my hair feel okay for like a week, and then after that my hair just feels super brittle, super dry, and I'm not satisfied with it. And honestly, I kept like blaming my hair type because I was always like, oh my gosh, my hair is way too oily, like nothing's gonna solve this, and it was just not a fun time. But then I found Function of Beauty, and you guys have probably heard about them because they have started popping up like all over my Instagram feed, and a friend actually told me about them, so I was super excited whenever they wanted to work with me because I think it's so cool that you can basically tell them everything about your hair type and then they make a custom formula just for you. So here is my Function of Beauty shampoo and conditioner, and what I love about this is that they create a custom formula for you and your unique hair type. Now what I think is so interesting is that everybody's bottle is formulated just for you, so there's never been two replicas of the same formula. It's basically specialized to you. And what you guys just saw me putting in my hair like right before Catherine left is actually the Function of Beauty hair serum, and I have been obsessed with this. Yesterday I used it as well, and I woke up this morning and my hair felt so amazing. Like I cannot even tell you guys. So I'm obsessed with this new product, and even the packaging, literally, okay, I need to show you guys this because this like blows my mind. So if you order a shampoo or conditioner, it literally says your name. So mine says Function of Caroline, and then it says what the product is, and then yeah. Also, they sent some stickers, so I'm gonna be decorating these bottles. Look at how aesthetic these are. Like, how does it get better than this? Okay, enough talking, and now to the fun part. It's super easy. All you have to do is fill out a 2-minute quiz outlining your hair type, hair goals, and personalized preferences. So for me, my hair goals is to get rid of the oiliness on my roots and the dryness on my ends. I do have colored hair, or I used to. I kind of have stopped coloring it, and I don't know if I'm gonna go back to it. Then you can also choose your color and what scent you want. So I chose to go colorless. I basically just like the signature white look. I'm trying to remember, what scent did I get? Smells really good. Oh, okay, I got nude peach. After a month, I'm going to check in with you guys and let you know how this has made my hair feel. But as of today and yesterday, my hair has felt so nice, super silky, and it smells amazing. They have like a variety of scents and colors that you can do. If you're anxious or worried, just know that there have been over 6,000 5-star reviews on functionofbeauty.com. I think that is absolutely insane, and I'm so excited to be partnering with them and supporting their brand because I love that they're vegan and cruelty free. That honestly makes me so happy, and I love the fact that they're not afraid to hide what is in their products. Holy cow, my hair smells so good. If you're interested in Function of Beauty, I will have their link down in the description, and make sure to go try it out. I honestly recommend it. If you do decide to try it out, please let me know and keep me updated, and we can kind of go on this journey along together. I think my mom just got home, so let's see what my family is up to. Hi family. Have you made it yet?
What time is everyone coming over?
7.
You need to help me make the cinnamon roll. I need to finish doing this. Caroline, you need to take care of that. Why didn't you turn in your note from
frick, I forgot.
You need to do it tomorrow.
Okay.
You need to take care of that pile.
Yeah.
Caroline,
Yeah.
take care of that pile, and then you have clothes on my bed, okay?
Okay. So tonight we're having cinnamon rolls and wait, where are the cinnamon rolls? Oh. Yeah, we're gonna have some cinnamon rolls tonight and some tacos. All right, this is a shout out for my homie Cephalina, her little sister Ella. Wait, why do you have a picture of them? She printed them out and gave them to people so we don't forget about her over Christmas break. Oh, there you go. Hope you're watching this. Okay, I'm gonna clean my stuff.
Carolinemanning.
Oh my gosh, y'all are so stupid. Can't get me. Remember those days? Remember those days when you would scare me? But I need a razor. Right now. Wait, this is the thumbnail. Hey, how was the Air Force? It's good. Good? Don't. I'm just gonna take a shower before they come. Okay. Bye. Bye. Okay, so tomorrow I have a flight out to Michigan. I have to leave school early though, because I think my flight is at like 3 o'clock or something. So I need to pack for that because I used to be really good about packing like early, but no, that's just not the case anymore. I've been having literally, I packed so last minute and I still have to go to school tomorrow, which is kind of sad, but I mean, it's okay. I learned this from our family friend, Katie. But if you don't want people to see your address on like your luggage tag and stuff, flip it over and write info on the other side. I need to start wearing my glasses because I have to get in the habit of it, but it gives me a headache when I wear them because I'm not used to it and it's like really different. A bunch of you guys also asked like where my suitcase is from, and it is from the brand Away. I surprised Catherine and I with matching ones when she graduated from high school. And my favorite thing about this is it's super cute first off, but it also has like a wireless charging thing. So the reason why I'm going to Michigan is to film the music video to the Christmas song that Hannah Malone and I wrote. I don't have like winter clothes because it doesn't really get that cold here in Texas. And when it does, it just like changes weather the next day. So I just don't really have winter clothes that are cute too. That's the key word, cute. I need to call Hannah because I don't know what the frick I'm supposed to wear. All of this is summer clothes. I have nothing cute for the music video. Send help. I didn't even ask for things on my wish list, cause I am so hungry, so this is gonna be good. I feel like every vlog you wear that shirt. So tired. All right guys, Bible study went good. Now it is 9:12 and I'm going to bed later because I have no idea what to pack. This is literally so hard because I don't have anything that is like appropriate for clothing weather. Wait, no. I have like no winter clothes, so this is gonna be crazy. I'll probably just end up asking Hannah if I can borrow stuff from her closet because I have no idea. I want to get some cute Polaroids when I'm in Michigan. So I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace out.
So pass me my coat and let's get on the road. We can cut down a tree and some hot cocoa drinks. The roads might be icy, but who gives a bleep?